This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get to the expansion bay on your PlayStation 5 so you can insert a M.2 SSD. This is easy to do. So the first thing we want to do is remove the cover. So we want to remove the back cover here. So you can see the PlayStation symbol right here. We want to go to the back side with the disk drive. Then look at the PlayStation symbol. And then keep your hand on the top here where that symbol is, but on the opposite side. And then lift up. So opposite of the disk drive 2, then lift up and push towards you or pull towards you just like this, and the cover will pop off. And then right here we have one little screw that we need to remove, and this will give us access to the expansion bay. All we have to do is put the M.2 SSD in here and we should be good to go. Put it back on, and then you should be able to find that in the storage area under the settings. And when you're in here, you clean off the fan too with some compressed air, in case there's any kind of dust forming on that. But it looks like you just need a regular screwdriver if you're taking off the fan. I believe you need like a T8 or a T9 screwdriver for that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.